Yo, what is up my YouTube nation? This is Blaze. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Today we're going to be doing an investment video for you guys on Robinhood. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'm going to have a link to join Robinhood in the description. Make sure to click my link and sign up for a free share. You guys will get a free share, I'll get a free share, just free money. And you guys can buy and sell money with that share if you guys want to, like for cheap other shares. Especially if you get something really, really good. So today we're going to be talking about what happened on the stock market, what I personally invested in, how much money I won today or, gained today, and my plans for investing for today, tomorrow, Friday as well, and then on Monday what's going to happen too. So let's see how it goes. So we're on Robinhood right now, Robinhood Markets, and we're looking at TripAdvisor stock. And if you guys are watching the stock market, you guys know that TripAdvisor today went down 11.41%, which is a ton of money. Although, you guys are thinking, okay, well, the stock went down 11%. Well, what happened? Some of the stock investors did not like the report, and they were selling off all their shares, selling off all their shares, selling off all their shares, selling off all their shares. Thousands and thousands of shares were being sold off during this period. And I was watching this. This is when I woke up this morning. So this was 9 o'clock, Eastern time zone. I'm on. There is the time. There's the price dropping. When I woke up this morning, it was around this price range. It was at like $48, $47. I woke up pretty early, and then here we go. $46.65, $46.80, and right here, $46.60. One of the lowest points of the entire day for the stock. It was down 15%. And guess who bought in? I did. $46.60. I bought 15 shares. It cost me $700. And I bought 15 shares, $699 at the lowest point today when it was down 15%. So I capitalized on all this going down. And then look, today the stock's been going up, up, up ever since it went down, It did get above $49.02 right here. This is a good place I could have sold, but I actually put a sell order for $50 a share. So hopefully tomorrow it goes up an extra dollar. And well, actually, it currently is at $48.67. So I need it to go up $1.33. If it goes up an extra $1.33, I'll make more profit on my stock. I do expect it to go back up. Hopefully it does. If it keeps going down, then I will not have my $30 of profit anymore. We are up 4.44% on this one share. That's not bad. I did see better margins today for other stocks. We're going to talk about one in specific later on in the video that did extremely good today. Might be a possible buy in the future. I'm thinking about it. It's just I only have $1,000 invested, so I don't have extra buying power right now because have spent all my $1,000 on different stocks. It's 71% of my portfolio is TripAdvisor right now. It's actually doing extremely good. It's making lots and lots and lots of profit. It's got 2.23 million shares. It's worth, $7.58 billion. It's a pretty good company. People are saying right now the 52-week low, $43.40. Average price paid 3% higher right now than $47.21. Now, if you look at this, the 52-week high, $69. So I could hold out, or it could go down. So that's why I'm thinking just sell at 50, make my $3.40 per share profit, and I'll be good. But I could wait for more profit, but it's a little risky, so I'm going to go with my $50. Also, today, for example, I wanted it to go back up to $50 today, but it didn't. So it's a risk, even trying to sell it at 50 right now. But I'm going to go for it because it is down $6 today. So it could easily go up $1.30 perhaps, or it could keep going down. If it keeps going down, pretty much I'll be at where I started, but hopefully not. People are saying to hold on to your shares. They're actually not really saying to sell them. I'm trying to sell because I just don't want them to go down anymore. I could hold on to them, but I'm going to sell because I want to work on other investments with my profits. 22% of people are saying to sell. Basically, no one is saying to buy right now. This is not a good time to buy. So that's why it's at 11%. I don't know why you'd be buying right now when it's high as far as it's higher than the all-time low, and it could keep going down. Based on the massive drop today, it could keep going down, but probably won't. So let's read about the buy summary and the sell summary for you guys. TripAdvisor has a powerful network with the most experiences and review content of any online player, along with a leading presence of hotels and restaurants. Penetration levels are low and growing in emerging markets and experienced markets. As the world's largest travel meta search company, the firm is well positioned to benefit over the long term. The firm launched a multi-year TV campaign in June 2017, which should increase awareness and generate revenue for the long term. Okay. This is people who are saying to sell it. Meta search has lower barriers than OTA and competition from new entrants that already have larger user traffic such as Facebook, Amazon, Alibaba, and Google could meaningfully affect the firm's growth outlook. Booking and Expedia are investing into their platforms, which could make their networks relatively stronger than TripAdvisor's. Mobile traffic mix is currently increasing and currently only monetizes around 40% of desktop from the Morningstar. So there's the buy and the sell. Right now we have the buy order for $50. So let's do some profit for you guys. I'm going to pull out my nifty calculator for you guys real quick. There it is. Alright, so I got the calculator pulled out. Let me show you guys what I'm up to. So we've got, 15 shares at $46.60. We already know that number is $699, right? So let's take our 15 shares and times it by, we're trying to sell it at 50. We could try to go for more money, but it's a little bit of a risk. I'd rather just take my current percentage than risk too much. But I do like to make profit, but it's like there's a difference between making profit and it could just, keep dropping. That's $750. So I will have made $51 from this $699. So if you take the $750 and you divide it by the $699, we're getting a 7.3% profit on our money, which is pretty solid money. So instead of being 4%, it's going to be 7.3% profit, which is extremely good. 7% profit per day is pretty good. I did see a bigger gain in the market today. I'll show it to you guys in a second. Let's talk about Lyft shares real quick. So I was actually thinking about buying Lyft shares today, not because I think that Lyft is a good investment, but more because you can buy when they're extremely low, kind of like the TripAdvisor, sell when they're slightly higher. Small profits over the long term every single day, hopefully. I don't have the $25,000 to become a day trader, but eventually I will have it. So let's talk about Lyft. $53.10 a share. I was saying I wanted to buy at $53 a share, which it did go below $53, which is a good price to buy at. Although, if you think about it, what did the stock do today? Well, it went down 11% today. It went just as bad as TripAdvisor, but people were talking about TripAdvisor today. They were not really talking about Lyft going down today. They both went down extremely, compare the numbers right here. TripAdvisor 11.4%. Lyft went down 11%. So you're looking for stocks that go down massive margins. 11, 10%, that's all pretty good margins as far as going down. It could, bounce back up is what we're trying to have happen. So after hours, it went slightly up, 1/3%, but not much. Why is Lyft a bad stock? Because it's losing actually $1 billion in the last quarter, which is extremely bad. Market cap, $17 billion. The volume, it was founded in 2012. What are people saying about it? Well, the low is 52.78. That's all-time low is 52.78. That would have been the best time to buy Lyft shares at 52.78. I was going to set it to 53. I was talking about it yesterday. I was going to say, I'm going to buy it $53. And at that point, let me show you guys. We were talking about it started today, right? It started today at $60. So for me to say I wanted to get it, well, actually, let's see. So what did it say? So it said see right here is my limit buy. I'll prove it to you guys. I wanted to buy $53 shares, 13 of them. I was going to buy it, but I canceled it because I saw TripAdvisor falling like a rock, and I knew that TripAdvisor usually sells for a lot higher, and the company is profitable. So that's why I decided to go with TripAdvisor over Lyft. Both would have been a good idea to buy. Although, if Lyft continues to go down, it would be a bad idea. So what I could do is if I can sell my TripAdvisor shares at $50 like I want to, then I'll have my $750 back, right? So then, let's say that Lyft goes down to $50, which would be extremely low, because if you look at, you don't even have to click the 5 year, let's look at the 1 year. Alright, so the 1 year. So it was listed for $87.24, right? Look what happened as soon as it was listed. It went down to $69, popped back up to $74, nosedive, woo, $60, $57, $62, it went back up slightly, and then look what happened. Within the last, 2 days, it's down to 53. Uber is going public on Friday. So what does this show? Overall down in the market. Is it going to continue to go down? Is it ever going to go back up? It's very dicey with the Lyft, but there is room for profit, because if you look at the day, it's down $6 today. It could go back up $3, $4 a share, and then if I have, some $750, let me show you guys the math on that. So $750 divided by my $50. If I get it for $50 a share, I could buy 15 shares, right? So take your 15 shares, times it by, you want to sell for, let's say you want to sell for 53, right? Which would be possible. You're making an extra $45. Same day, you're making $45. Buying Lyft at 50, selling at 53, makes you 45 extra bucks. The more money I have in my account, the more money I could make.